Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about my absolute favorite mascara that everyone needs to know about. A good mascara is something that every girl needs because it can take your look from 0 to 100 real quick. A good mascara should open up your eyes and volumize your lashes and increase the length and do all of it for you and make your lashes look super fluttery and girly. And eyes are usually the first thing people notice about you, so you want to make sure your lashes are looking girly and fluttery. You want to know which one I'm talking about? Should I share my secret with you? I am talking about the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. I have seen so many people talk about this already, so many international influencers, a lot of people I watch, everybody has been talking about this mascara, and for absolutely good reason, because this totally deserves the hype. This is the only affordable mascara available in the market with this luxurious hourglass shape. The wand in here is something else. Do you see the amount of bristles on there? There are about 200 bristles in this mascara. It totally separates each lash and coats every hair, giving you the most awesome look. You know, I've been so into this mascara since a long time. A while ago when I went to Dubai, I saw the Lash Paradise Ecstatic version. This is not available in India, but the wand is almost the same. I absolutely loved this so much that the next time someone was traveling from there, I asked them to get me this particular mascara. And then as soon as the L'Oreal Lash Paradise launched in India, I knew I had to get my hands on it. I ordered it the moment I saw it online, and I've gone through like, I don't know, 3 or 4 tubes of this at this point. My mom loves it. Everybody in my house loves this mascara. We all have like 2 or 3 of these mascaras in our vanity at all times because they're all in different stages. You know, you want to throw out your mascara after 5 or 6 months. So I have one that is absolutely new, and then I have one that is slightly dry and it's like 4 or 5 months old, and then I have one that is 2 or 3 months old. So I have them in different stages of their life, but this needs to be in my makeup collection. The absolute amazing waterproof formula that this has, guys, I'm telling you, if you're in the rain, if you're in the pool, if you're crying, this is gonna hide all of that. This is not coming off. I am gonna apply this on one eye so you can see what magic this mascara can do. Now every time I apply a mascara, I have to curl my lashes. I feel like I cannot skip this step. This really just helps make your lashes look that much more curly. And another great thing about this waterproof formula is that it holds your curls, so your lashes are not gonna droop down throughout the day, you know what I mean? I'm gonna tell you a little trick that I personally like to do with my mascaras. You always want to be looking down into a mirror when you're applying your mascara. I always just like to go from the top like that and cover my lashes from the top first, because most of the times you'll be applying your mascara from the bottom up, right? You don't focus on the lashes from the top. Okay, so once that is done, you can already see what a huge difference that makes. I am just gonna take the wand and wiggle it right at the roots of my lashes. Now that is very important because you want most of the product to be focused on the root, and that is where you want your lashes to look the thickest. So you want to really wiggle the wand at the root, and once that is done, you want to start closing your eyes on the wand. So you want to close your eye like that on the wand. And this wand is so amazing. It is going to separate all your lashes and it's going to do everything for you. I mean, do you see that? Whoa! And I've only just done my top lashes. I haven't done my bottom lashes yet, and that is with one coat. One coat, and look at that. Look at the difference mascara can make in your look. I mean, I've done no eye makeup. This is the only product I'm wearing, and basically on an everyday basis, you probably don't even need to apply liner and shadows. Just a great mascara is enough. It does so much. It's just like beautifying your eyes without changing the shape, just making them look really full and fluttery and dreamy. Okay, let's do the lower lashes now. When you're doing your top lashes, I want you to look down into a mirror so you don't get a lot of mascara on your top lid, which if you do, it doesn't really matter. Just don't touch it until it's dry. You want to just leave it, let it dry, and once it dries, it's really easy to just flake off with the Q-tip, so you don't need to mess around with it. Don't worry if you get it, you know, on your face or anywhere else while you're applying it. And when you're doing your bottom lashes, I want you to look up into a mirror. So hold your mirror like this and look up and do your bottom lashes. Okay, I'm gonna do my other eye now. You know what? My lashes look like they're on steroids. Let's be honest. It looks like I've got lash extensions, and I've legit had people stop me and ask me where I have had my lash extensions done, and I've told them this is the mascara I've been wearing. The wavy bristles just catch product so beautifully, and it disperses it on each lash. It's just so well made, this technology. It's so easy to apply. It just glides on. It has this balmy formula that contains rose oil and castor oil, and castor oil is just so good for your lashes. It really helps in making your lashes grow naturally. When you're applying mascara, always make sure that you're pushing the lashes at the end outside, so it creates like a nice winged effect, and you're pushing the lashes in the center directly upwards. Don't go like this with your mascara, then you're eliminating the length that you can get with your mascara. So just push your lashes straight up, and for your inner lashes you want to push them like towards your nose. That gives them the maximum length. This is how you can get the most out of your own lashes. Okay you guys, so I'm back with the most fabulous lashes of all time. Do I look like a Disney princess now? If you've not tried this mascara and you're still on to other mascaras, girl, damn. If you've not tried this mascara and you're still on to other mascaras, girl, you're wasting your time, because you're not gonna get any better than this. Especially at this price point. I love that this is so affordable. The Hourglass brush is just absolutely magic. It just lifts your lashes like there's no tomorrow. There's no clumping, there's no smudging. It's gonna look like this throughout the day. So I'm gonna show you how it looks after a few hours of wear, and you can see that the curl is still intact. They still look black and lush and full and fluttery. There's no drooping, there's no smudging. What more do you want from a mascara? Comes in this luxurious rose gold pinky packaging. I absolutely love it. It's very easy to spot in my makeup collection as well. This is a game changer, and it's a must-have in your makeup kit. So I hope you check it out, and if you do, you can thank me later. That's it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful. I know a girl is always on the lookout for the perfect mascara. Ain't nobody got time to wear falsies every day. We want our natural lashes to do the talking, so check this out. This is a game changer, and if you liked this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future fun product recommendations like this one. If you're interested in fashion, don't forget to check out my Instagram. There's a lot more fashion content on Instagram. I love you. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I love helping out my girls out there to find the best products in the market, and I'll see you super soon in my next one. Bye bye.